Okay, I'm doing material tests today for my new F2. Today I am doing wood. So I will start out. You can click the plus sign up here. If your machine's not connected, you go to connect, find your machine, click on it. If you're using Wi-Fi, you could find it via Wi-Fi. Today I'm using the USB because I'm not going to have it here at this location too long. I'm going to take this to my shop and we will be doing engravings on jewelry and uh, ornaments and fun stuff. So, to do your material test array, I've been playing this with this thing ever since I got it, and it could do some impressive stuff. So I'll go here to elements. I'll go pick the xTool logo here, change it into engrave, shrink that down a little bit. One thing is so it automatically comes in a score. Turn to grave. Lines per centimeter. You can change it up to 300, and what happens here will lock it into place. So I'll keep this at 100 for right now, and I will go ahead and click on my applications. I will do a material test array. I want to go maximum of 90. I'll do minimum of 40. I'll do maximum of 600 speed and minimum of 100 speed. So this is going to give me a wide, well, I'll change this to 10 columns, 10 rows. It'll give me a wide amount to look at. Click done here. What I'm wanting to see is I want a, well, here, I'm going to click my auto measure focus. It'll take a snapshot. All right, looks like I'm already on the bed here. But what it'll do is it'll show me where I want to be with my settings. Also, if I go too fast with it, I'm not going to see anything. If I give it too much power, it's going to scorch and burn. If I don't give it enough power, once again, I won't see anything. So let me go ahead and hit process. I'm going to start it. I have my trusty little button right here. If you can see my little button, I'm going to go ahead and click it. And what it's doing right now is going through 100 lines per centimeter. You see the burn on that last one. That's as hot as it's going to go. I don't want to go any hotter than that. I don't want to burn my machine down. I want to keep it. But I do want to find the right settings for me to use. Because, like I said, I'm going to be doing ornaments here. Just watch this go. Now this enclosure, I like this enclosure a lot. Um, I'm not able to see any blue light escape from it, which is fantastic. It doesn't come with goggles. You got probably a few different pair of goggles. Some from no IR for CO2 and UV, and just that fast. And I've got some other ones um, for blue light machines. I actually don't have any rated for fiber, so I need to go get me a pair. Also, never keep this up while you're working. So let's see here. I don't see any numbers scored out. I don't see any of so the speed and the power are not showing up on the wood. Just kind of shows you what it looks like. And I'll tell you that I preferred 212 and 68. So if you hit finish, I'm going to click this, turn off my output. When you go in here and let's put some text here. Right. Defaults to hello. All right. Click engrave. If you go ahead and click any of this wood, so the basswood, apply that. We'll go to 7,300 at 100 lines per second. If you go in here to pine wood, 7,300, 100 lines per second. So kind of looks the same, but I said I liked 212 and 68. So if I go 68 power, 212, you bump this up to 300 lines. You get a refresh here of the camera. Clickety click. You see it got over here a little bit. If I get some masking tape, finish. I want to refresh my screen. We'll move that down here. Watch this. Click. I don't think that turned out bad at all. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Thank you.